Hey guys, Long Haul Larry, Big Blue. It is August 23rd, 2019, and we are empty from Americold. All them trucks just sitting down there. Oh, let's see here. My GPS has got me doing something weird. I have no idea why it's got me going that way. That's traffic that way. It wants me to turn right, then go up to a stop sign and turn left, and then come up to this big intersection, and it's just tons of traffic in there. I'm not gonna do that. I just turn left right here. It's a lot simpler, and it'll take me right out to the highway. I got down here yesterday morning, and I've actually done a 34-hour. It is Friday afternoon. And I am empty over here, and I ended up just sitting here and stuff until I got my 34-hour, and then I'm going to be going over to Garfield. What's the name of this place? I can't even think of it. Yeah, Garland, Texas. I've been here before to this NFI place. I'm gonna go over here and load up going to Pennsylvania, but I will not be taking it all the way to Pennsylvania. I'm going to be going to the yard like I've done a bunch of other times. Drop this and then pick it up an empty trailer and heading back down to Mount Crawford. I just had a really weird text come through from my boss, and I was sitting there waiting for that line. I got me all flustered just now. It popped up and said that next pickup is for tomorrow or whatever, and I was looking at, I don't know what happened. It was a message that was sent yesterday, and I was like freaking out. I'm like, do I have another day I have to sit here and wait for a load? I was texting him back, isn't it today Friday? And then it scrolled all the way to the bottom, and I was like, oh man, he probably thinks I'm weird. He probably thinks I've lost it. He's like, yeah, it's Friday. Why are you asking me if it's Friday? Oh well. We're gonna be running over there, and I got 46 miles until I get there. Just gotta run on over through out of Fort Worth here up to Dallas, kind of north side of Dallas basically. I'll catch you guys later. Well guys, I figured I'd show you this toolkit that I got. This is a new toolkit that I'm gonna be putting in Big Blue here. Pretty much it's got everything in it. I'm not too sure about, like, it doesn't have pliers and stuff like that. I'll have a separate little toolbox for kind of the specialty tools, but I just really wanted a nice set of complete sockets and wrenches and stuff, so I don't have to be digging through trying to find something, and this fits perfectly into my side box. I've stopped at a few different places, Menards, the Lowe's, and looked at all their different sets, and most of them were 227 piece sets, and they were selling for about $218, something like that. This one here at the Home Depot, it's a Husky set. You know, it says lifetime warranty. It's supposed to, if you break something, you're supposed to be able to take it back in there and get a new one right there. But so I think it'll be just fine. But this one here is a 268 piece set, and it's got SAE and metric. And this one here was $199. So this is a pretty good set. I mean, pretty good size, pretty good for value, I thought. So I picked it up. So I kind of liked it because it has like drawers and stuff where everything can, you know, where I can keep things more organized. Because that's my biggest problem. Because a lot of times I'll be working on something or something else, and I'll go to grab, you know, I'll need certain tools or whatever, and it takes me just as long as to get everything out and get everything ready to do the job than it does to actually do it. So this way everything will be in one. So let's see what's inside here. Okay. So the top here, it has a complete set. Looks like wrenches. Looks like we go from a 1/4 inch to 7/8, and looks like 9mm to 18mm. There's a couple that are missing in between there, but these are some weird little wrenches. Don't know why I'd ever want those. Little tiny wrenches, I guess. You might need them. Feel pretty good. Feels pretty solid. That feels pretty good. Got a nice weight to it. But this way I got a complete set of sockets, and they're all in their little spots and everything else. And it's got all the sizes written right on the spots, so that way when I put it away I know where everything goes. Don't lose anything. Got all extensions up in here. You always put that little spark plug socket. There's one there and one on the bottom. Okay, this first drawer here is 1/4 inch. It's all the 1/4 inch dry stuff, metric and standard. It's got a small little 1/4 inch little ratchet. And it's got a bunch of different Allen keys. It's got standard and metric. I guess they got a short set and a long set. They're the exact same sizes. And then it comes with this here. This is the screwdriver set and everything, and it's got a bunch of nut sets that come with it. They can go into here. And it's also got a bunch of different screwdriver bits too. So, it's nice. Oh, I see. Down here is 3/8. The 3/8, and it's got all torque bits too. It's got all the different torque bits, which you know I use them all over on here. And it's also got screwdriver bits to put into a socket, which somebody was asking me why I don't use these. Well, there you go. Now I got a set of them. And it's also got the Allen wrench sets too. So there you go. Pretty nice little set. Kind of wondering why it doesn't lock. Yeah. Kind of wondering why these drawers don't lock when the top's not open. That's alright. Not a big deal. There we go. I'm just sitting here waiting to get it loaded up, and this fits really nice into my side cabinet. So, but it's pretty heavy. I'm going to tell you that right now. It is. It's got a lot of tools in there, so it's pretty heavy. So I'll catch you guys later. Well, guys, we are all loaded up here at NFI. And I am going to start heading off towards the ADL yard. Traffic don't look too good out there on 635. It is what it is. Yeah, it looks pretty nasty out there. Who knows? I figured traffic will be all settled down by now and we can get out of here. There was a fire truck that came through going the other way. I saw him come down the highway, so lights going, everything else. Who knows? Maybe it's got a... Maybe there's an accident out there or something. Why in the world are they? So I've been working on my multiple camera setup and everything, and I do have the stuff set up, and I have some of the cameras hooked up and been testing and stuff and trying to figure out how it all works and everything. I'm having an issue with the actual recorder part that records all the video that is put to it. I can't seem to get it to record. I don't know, it's just probably something I gotta go in and do some kind of something in the settings or something. I'll figure it out here in the next day or two. I'm actually gonna have an extra day this weekend here. I'm running up to the ADL yard, but I don't actually have to be there until Sunday night, he said. Because I'm picking up in Mount Crawford next, but that's not picking up till Monday, I guess. Don't think I can go down that road. I think they have my road closed off. Maybe not. Oh, guess it's my turn. I guess it can. AMC guy right up here. AMC lease. Oh, there's a big accident right here. There's something happening. I don't know if this is the problem. Yeah, I was gonna be nearly nice and stay back and let everybody else come over, but the light turned back there. Now there's just a whole pile of cars. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Not sure what this guy is doing here. Looks like a bunch of little gremlins are out tonight or something, causing some problems with traffic. So. Well, guys, we are here in Lebanon, Tennessee, and I'm done. I am done. I still got a little drive time left, but I'm just done. I'm cooked. Plus, I'm out of fuel, so I'm going to do a quick fuel stop. I would actually do it when I wake up, but then there'll probably be, lines of trucks. Actually, you know what? I don't even know if I can get into the fuel pumps. I always find this funny here, these guys turning out of here. They always turn out. Actually, you know what? I can get right into a fuel pump. Well, not right into it. There's like trucks all parked out there. Nobody fueling. The usual stuff. But I'm going to fuel up quick, and then I am going to park it here and do my brakes. So I will catch you guys later. I hope everyone out there is having themselves a great day, great night. If you're watching this here video, if you are not, I will certainly get this change all that around and try it all over again tomorrow. I will catch you guys later. See ya.